Hello! Welcome to my day 6 of the Paw Patrol Sneeze compilation. And day 6 character is going to be Chase! The one I got off Amazon. Hang on. Okay, we're good. I turned him off so he won't cause any problems, because he's the one that wags his tail too. So let's do it! My name is False Seaver fan Eevee and Eli the cat fan. Here we go.
I need you to take care of the sniffling pups. I'll see if Katie can come by and help. Sky, I need you to use your goggles and copter to help find the missing pigs.
This pup's gonna...
Oh no, Sky, you too?
I have to stay here, huh? But your little snout's turning me into a big sneezer. I'll take this one, for exercise. Paw Patrol, ready for action, Rider, sir.
Please don't pick me.
Chase is on the... Excuse me. On it. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Pup's gonna... Ugh. Ew. Woo! Wow. Aw, do we have to be you? Who needs a drink?
Keep sniffing, pups. We're getting close.
Listen again. Oops.
Sorry.
Sky? Oh! That's gonna leave a mark. Excuse me.
Zuma, I need you and your booty. If Farmer Owl's pigs end up in the creek, we'll need you to bring them to shore.
I'm ready to say ah. Zuma's caught a cold too. If I'm ill, I better chill. Picking me. I'm a little allergic to feathers. Uh-oh. Huh? Now let's see if we can find out what's wrong. Excuse me, another one? But wait, that one's way closer to the danger zone. What if I sneeze and scare her? Uh-oh. That tickles my nose. Cut! Sorry, Suma's tail tickled my nose. Fantastic, Chase! Chase is on the case! These paws have pulled the laws! Ruff, ruff! Alright, that was fantastic, Chase. Well, look at the time. I'll see you on my day 7, I believe. 5, 6. Hang on. 4, 5, 6. Yeah, day 7. I gotta get going. Let's go, go, go.